I'm Vaishnavi Ajay Inamdar, Assistant Professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming my today's guest, Mr. Arun Kumar. I congratulate you on getting successfully placed in Amadeus Labs.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amadeus Lab is one of the top 10 travel technology companies in the world. It operates in 190 plus market and it has around 19,000 plus employees. Amadeus Lab visited BIT on 1st September 2022. It offered a package of 11.7 lakhs. The cutoff criteria was 80% in grade 10 and 12 with a CGPA of 7.5 in UG. 173 students appeared in the interview process, which included students from Computer Science and Engineering, Information Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication, Electrical and Communication, among which two have been successfully placed in Amadeus Lab. One among them is here with us today, Mr. Arun Kumar. I welcome you, Arun Kumar. Kindly introduce yourself and share your skill set.
Thank you, ma'am. My name is Arun Kumar. I'm 6th semester computer science student at BIT. My skill set include programming in Java, Python, and C. I'm also familiar with technologies, DBMS, and the Django framework.
Can you give a brief about the interview that you went through in Amadeus?
The interview process consisted of 3 rounds. The first round being a technical test. It consisted of questions from different concepts of algorithms, data structures. There were 30 MCQ questions and 2 mandatory coding questions.
Can you tell me in brief about the 2 coding questions that were mandatory in the first round?
Yes, ma'am. The first question was about the array data structure and the bitwise operation. The second question was about the graph data structure.
You can continue with the second round.
Yes. The second round comprised of aptitude test and the English test. The aptitude test consisted of data interpretation questions, and the second test consisted of the passage-based questions. The time management was the key in this round. The third round was the interview. It consisted of both the technical and the HR interview. The technical interview was mainly based on the basic concepts of the data structure algorithms, computer networks, but the questions were asked in depth. The first question was for me was on algorithms. The interviewer asked me about all the algorithms I know, and he asked me explain about the quicksort algorithm. Later he asked me to explain about the time complexities, and he also asked me to implement the array list in the Java.
Was there a choice given for choosing a programming language in which you could implement?
Yes, ma'am. There were many languages. There were around 40 languages available to select for the coding rounds and also for the interview.
And which one did you choose?
I chose Java.
Which round did you feel difficult among the 3 rounds and how did you overcome it?
I think the first round was a bit difficult as compared to other rounds.
Okay, and was it the MCQs or the coding questions that was asked?
Both the MCQs and the coding questions were difficult. In the MCQ questions, they covered concepts of almost all languages, but they were based on logical. So if we are familiar with one language, then we can solve them. Okay. Practicing the data structure questions and coding questions on Hacker and Lead Code helped me to solve the coding questions.
So all the 3 rounds were conducted in a day?
The first 2 rounds were conducted in a single day. The interview was scheduled the next day.
Okay. So you had sufficient time to equip yourself after facing the first 2 rounds, right?
Yes, ma'am. During that time, I had gone through all the fundamental concepts and all the company-specific questions.
Okay. Arun, can you tell me about your journey in BIT?
My journey in BIT started with learning C language in my first semester. I got acquainted with the data structures and algorithms in my 3rd and 4th semester respectively, which helped me to be where I am today. BIT has helped me to bridge the gap between the industry and the academia, some of which include Learnathon, hackathons, Microsoft Azure training, Cisco NetApp training, and coding competitions. I also got an opportunity to be the part of Biet website development team, and I have also participated in Manthan, a national level hackathon.
Arun, share your insights for your upcoming matches.
From this interview, I got to know that working on fundamentals is the most important skills, and also practicing coding questions and problem solving skills on platforms like HackerRank, LeetCode will help a lot. And not losing hopes even after failing, and working hard will eventually get us positive result.
Thank you, Arun, for sharing your thoughts and for giving this wonderful interview.
Thank you, ma'am.